Baptist Health making a big announcement today. The Arkansas-owned hospital slashing 170 jobs to make up for federal budget cuts. KERK4's Brittany Johnson live at Baptist Health tonight with more on why we could soon see more announcements like this. Brittany?
Well, Jessica, the Arkansas Hospital Association works with hospitals all across the state. Today we spoke with the executive vice president. He tells us that for years these hospitals have been trying to re-engineer their services and their staffing to make up for those cuts, but all of that while saving jobs. Well, today this announcement from Baptist Health shows that they may have to dig deeper to make up for those cuts.
There comes a point when that's going to have some impact, and we've been saying that for 2 years now.
Paul Cunningham has worked with hospitals across the state for decades. Most recently, he's seen them struggle with federal health reform.
That are suffering the effects of lower reimbursements, mainly Medicare right now.
So he wasn't shocked by a sudden announcement from Baptist Hospital eliminating 170 positions. The hospital released a statement saying, quote, in a difficult and challenging environment of substantially less government reimbursement, burdensome government regulations, rapidly rising cost of supplies, increasing charity care and bad debt, and the need for technology and medical innovations, we believe these efforts will serve to make Baptist Health more effective.
It certainly affects all hospitals. It was surprising to hear from Baptist, but it wasn't totally unexpected. It would not be totally unexpected to hear from any given hospital in the state. We know that many are suffering the effects of that, and it could mean loss of more jobs in the state.
Cunningham says there may be some help on the way. Now that state lawmakers have approved Medicaid expansion, the state's private option could help fill in the growing money gap.
Certainly it's a positive point. We favored it, we supported it all the way, and we think end result it will be good for hospitals and communities.
When a lot of people hear announcements like this, of course, they're concerned the economic impact will spread much further than the jobs at this individual hospital. In fact, the Hospital Association did a study to look at how much hospitals impact their local economies. And Jessica, they found that in many of the counties across the state, the hospitals are, if not the largest employer, one of the top 3 largest employers, and they bring in about $9 billion to the state of Arkansas. People, of course, hoping that job cuts like this do not end up becoming a trend. Live in Little Rock, Brittany Johnson, KERK 4 News.